Believe it or not, the excitement surrounding the Nothing Phone 2 has faded away entirely. It's remarkable to recall that with the Nothing Phone 1, the anticipation was high prior to its launch, continued during its unveiling, and persisted for months afterward. However, the enthusiasm for the Phone 2 has completely dissipated. The primary reason behind this shift is the unexpectedly high price point. Contrary to widespread expectations that the phone would be priced under $480, Carl Pye had actually indicated earlier that the Nothing Phone 2 would not come cheap. It would be a premium device. Perhaps we should have paid heed to his words. Consequently, the phone is now available for $540. Observing Carl Pye's track record at OnePlus, it's evident that Nothing Phone 3 won't fall into the category of budget-friendly devices. Its price is poised to surpass that of the Nothing Phone 2. This inference is drawn from the consistent pattern of Nothing's product releases. For instance, Nothing Phone 1 featured the 778G Plus chipset, while Phone 2 integrated the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. Following this trajectory, it's reasonable to assume that Phone 3 will incorporate the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, a choice that inherently incurs higher costs due to Qualcomm's premium technology. Consequently, the anticipated price point for the phone is expected to hover around $720. The strategic decision for Nothing to position itself as a premium brand is not without precedent. Paralleling OnePlus' strategy, Nothing seeks to expedite the process OnePlus undertook at a measured pace. The inaugural OnePlus device debuted at approximately $240, and by the time OnePlus 3 was introduced, the price had incrementally risen to $360, spanning 2 generations to effectuate a $120 increase. In contrast, Nothing is pursuing a more aggressive approach. This strategy acknowledges market dynamics, asserting that achieving fewer sales at a higher profit margin outweighs a higher sales volume at a lower margin. This calculated approach is aligned with the best interests of the company and its investors, optimizing revenue generation, indicating a distinct divergence from the norm. Nothing is gradually evolving into an aspirational label among tech enthusiasts, akin to OnePlus, or dare I say, even surpassing OnePlus as Apple does. While this development bodes well for the company, it might not be as favorable for consumers. This is because consumers still prefer purchasing reasonably priced phones. Yet, when confronted with a costly phone, those who have the means to afford it might not necessarily be able to do so. Much like Apple, which offers both budget-friendly and high-end products, and consequently dominates profit margins within the smartphone industry, Nothing seems to be following a similar strategy. However, there's a twist in the narrative at this juncture. The situation revolves around Nothing, which is gradually gaining recognition and demand for its products. However, a persistent issue arises with consistently high prices. How can prospective buyers afford these products? The matter is simple. Even though individuals desire to purchase the latest Nothing earphones, they often come with a hefty price tag, ranging up to $120. For those who still use the older version, their budget would typically range from $60 to $70, rendering the new option unattainable for them. This predicament has prompted Nothing to introduce a new sub-brand named CMF. CMF will adopt Nothing's design ethos while maintaining a distinct team exclusively focused on crafting affordable accessories. The intent is clear: to cater to individuals keen on acquiring Nothing's offerings but constrained by budget limitations. This approach aims to make the Nothing experience accessible to a wider audience. Notably, CMF is rumored to launch TWS earbuds and a smartwatch, with the latter having already received certification from BIS. This sub-brand is projected to be unveiled between September and October, featuring products priced in the range of $60 to $70, effectively targeting budget-conscious consumers. While CMF will specialize in accessories, it will refrain from venturing into the comprehensive smartphone market. As for Nothing's mainstay, its presence in the mobile phone space remains steadfast. The brand plans to release Phone 1, Phone 2, and even Phone 3. This strategy, however, involves initially focusing on a single flagship device. Yet, over time, Nothing will transition to launching multiple phones per year, similar to Apple's evolution. Much like Apple's lineup of models, Nothing's portfolio will encompass a spectrum of price points, ranging from $360 to $840 to $960. It's worth noting that Nothing will not succumb to spec-driven competition. This approach is reminiscent of IQOO's strategy, For instance, comparing the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 integration in iQOO Neo 7 Pro, and nothing reveals a deliberate divergence in pricing. Nevertheless, nothing persists in its commitment to transparent design and other distinguishing attributes, hinting at a plausible path to success. This very philosophy will extend to the CMF brand, upholding the same design language and integrating software design elements akin to Nothing's core products. In product development, CMF, an acronym for color material finish, will dictate the aesthetics, material selection, and finish of each product. Drawing a parallel, the CMF brand mirror OnePlus Nord's approach. While OnePlus caters to aspirational consumers with premium-priced products, Nord was introduced to bridge the gap and offer a more affordable, yet slightly premium alternative. Similarly, CMF serves this purpose within the Nothing ecosystem. While past endeavors by other companies, such as Realme's TechLife brand, haven't always garnered positive market response, the question of whether CMF by Nothing will fare better remains unanswered. Additionally, speculation looms over Nothing's future direction. Will it solely adhere to mainstream markets or make a resurgence among tech enthusiasts? The outcome remains uncertain, leaving room for speculation. As the conversation shifts to the audience, their thoughts on Nothing's trajectory are eagerly anticipated. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more exciting tech videos. See you soon in the next one.